Hello and welcome to our lesson of today. In today's lesson, we're going to talk about the stock track simulation. So, at the moment, you're actually learning about trading, and we have been given a simulation so that you can run it online or maybe virtually. So, first things first, maybe just for introduction purposes, you can see here the portfolio value, the amount that you are being given to trade, which is around $1 million. You have the portfolio return. You also have the cash balance that you have, which is the 1 million that you have been given. You also have the buying power, and you have the trades made. At the moment, you have 0 out of 300 trades. So again, here you are still at the dashboard. You have the open positions, whereby you can see the trades that are open. At the moment, there's no trade that's open. Maybe going back, you can also see you have the closed position, the trades that are closed. You have the portfolio summary, the transaction history, and the rules. Maybe scrolling down, you can see that you have the markets, or maybe the market, and the watch list, and maybe the market snapshot. So going back to the top, you have the dashboard part that we are looking at, and then you have the portfolio simulation. So this is where we normally trade from. So under the portfolio simulation, you can see that you have the my portfolio, whereby you can see the portfolio summary, open position, close position, all that. And you have the part called make a trade. So we normally trade using stocks or ETFs. You can trade using cryptos, mutual funds, bonds. You have option spreads, and also you have the tutorial videos whereby you can manage your portfolio, trading stocks, trading crypto, and all that. So for us, we're going to trade using the stocks or ETFs. So once you click on the stock or ETFs, you can see you come here whereby you have the trade equities, and the exchange, so it's in the United States, and you have the symbol. So you have the symbol GOOG, that's for Google, AAPL, which is for Apple. So at the moment, let's say we want to trade GOOG, we'll just type it like that, sorry, and then you can now be able to select it, and then down we have the last price. So we have the last price, we have the days change, and after the days change, you can see that we have the action. What do you want to do? You want to buy, sell, short, cover. So let's say you're buying 100 shares. You can see you have the estimated here, the estimated order price here. So let's say we're only going to buy one share of Google. That means that it will be around $285 subtracted from the total amount. You also have the market. You have the limit, stop price, you have the duration, maybe for 1 day or so, and then you have the review order part. And once you review the order, let's say for instance you are reviewing the order, that means that you want to confirm the order. So by confirming the order, that means the action is buy, it's one quantity, that means it's one share, type is the market, and the target is still the market. The symbol is Google or GOOG, which is our symbol. The price is 284 and the commission is 10. So down here you also have the trade notes, whereby you can write maybe any note that you want. So maybe you can say the reason why you're buying Google is because its return is quite high, and the estimated cost plus commission is here, which is 295.81 USD. And then here you can be able to confirm the order. So let's say if you confirm the order, it will now appear on your open positions. Before you go to that, you can see here you have the market, and you are being shown how the market is moving by this graph. This actually the indicators, and maybe on the other side we have the explanation for the chart, and it shows you the last price, the days change, the bid or ask, the days range, the days volume, and the industry, which is technology services. On the other side, you have the portfolio chart, which are the asset class, the industry, symbols, and the market cap, which are not that important. So let's say if you confirm the order about your session rule requires you to enter note. So let's say we are entering a note. Sorry for that. So let's say it's because why we actually the trade note for this, because Google is selling too fast, or Google is profitable. So that's our note, and then we can now be able to confirm the order. So we are being told your market buy for one share of Google will be processed at the next market open. Your order has already been placed, and you are being given the order confirmation number, and you can now be able to view your portfolio. So when you view your portfolio, you'll now see the trade appearing here. Just give it a minute so that it can load. and the trade is here. So you can see all our order is actually here. The date, the order is a market buy. We are buying Google, and the quantity is 1. Order price market. Trade price is open. Type equities, currency USD, and it's open. So that's how we normally purchase a trade, in particular in actually in the market. Let's say you want to sell, still you'll go to the portfolio, go to the stocks or ETFs, and then you can be able now to select the action will be now sell. So that simply means that you are going again to choose the symbol. So the symbol, let's say we want to use Apple. So Apple, you can see the last price for it is 270.14, and then we want to sell it. So shares, we only want to sell 1 share. Sell order requires existing long position of APL. So for instance, let's say we want to sell. So selling 1 share or maybe selling 10 shares will be around, it's not possible. Let's use buy. So if you are buying 10 shares at the moment, because remember that at the beginning of the simulation, that's why it can't allow us to sell. You can see that the order will be 2,698. You can also be able to review the order and check the market price, and then the order will still appear under the open trades or maybe the portfolio, and also you can be able to see the chart here. So if you need help in this simulation, just a reminder for you to text me on the email on the description, and I'll be able to help you out in this simulation so that you can get the best results out of it. So thank you so much. In case you are stuck, email me and I'll be able to help you.